Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're taking a full look at the 2026 Toyota camper van, a vehicle designed for travelers, weekend explorers, and anyone who loves hitting the open road with comfort and confidence. This new camper van blends Toyota's proven reliability with modern features that make long drives and outdoor adventures easier than ever. So let's walk through everything it offers, from design to performance, interior comfort, and the unique features that set it apart in the growing world of compact adventure vans. The design of the 2026 Toyota camper van focuses on practicality with a stylish twist. Its exterior features smooth contours, updated LED lighting, and a boxy yet refined shape that maximizes interior space without sacrificing road presence. Large side windows give the van a bright, open feel, and the sliding door makes entry simple whether you're in a crowded campsite or stopping for a quick break. The roofline is slightly raised, providing extra headroom inside, while keeping the overall profile efficient and easy to maneuver. It's a design that balances function and personality, making it suitable for both city use and wilderness journeys. In terms of performance, Toyota equips this camper van with a hybrid powertrain aimed at delivering both fuel efficiency and steady power. It accelerates smoothly, handles predictable road conditions with confidence, and provides enough torque for hilly terrain or fully loaded travel. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, keeping bumps minimal and long trips relaxing. With the available all-wheel drive option, it can handle gravel roads, rainy weather, and light off-road paths without hesitation. Inside, the 2026 Toyota camper van transforms into a surprisingly cozy and functional living area. The cabin layout includes a foldable bed system that quickly converts from seating to sleeping space, along with multiple storage compartments built throughout the interior. A compact kitchenette offers a small sink, a portable stove, and a mini refrigerator, giving travelers the essentials for cooking on the go. The materials inside feel durable yet comfortable, and the swivel front seats create a more open and usable interior when parked. It's a space designed to make extended travel feel natural and stress-free. Technology plays a major role in this camper van's appeal. The updated infotainment system includes wireless smartphone integration, navigation, and a user-friendly interface. A dedicated camping mode helps manage battery usage while parked, and optional solar panels on the roof provide clean energy to support small appliances and interior lighting. Additional features like multiple USB ports, fold-out work surfaces, and optional roof-mounted storage give travelers the tools they need for extended trips. Overall, the 2026 Toyota camper van brings together practicality, comfort, and adventure-ready capability in a way that makes travel feel effortless. It truly delivers freedom for every kind of traveler on journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Gearhead Central.